We think about the mechanical energy. The energy at humanity's disposal is closer to the storms, but the task of focusing even half of the energy on a spot in the middle of a remote ocean would still be formidable. Brute force interference with hurricanes doesn't seem promising. In addition, an explosive, even a nuclear explosive, produces a shock wave or pulse of high pressure that propagates away from the site of the Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The lights are flickering. Such an event doesn't raise the barometric pressure after the shock has passed because barometric pressure in the atmosphere reflects the weight of the air above the ground. For normal atmospheric pressure, there are about 10 metric tons of air bearing down on each square meter of surface. In the strongest hurricanes, there are 9. All I'm seeing is